Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and cancel Apple Music subscription on any device. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. You can cancel your Apple Music subscription on any device, including iPhone, iPad, Mac, PC, Apple TV, and Android by managing it in your account setting. On your iPhone or iPad or even Apple Vision Pro, what you want to do is open the settings app, then tap your name at the top of the screen. Tap on subscriptions, tap the Apple Music subscription in the list of active subscriptions, and tap cancel subscription and confirm your decision. On Mac, you can simply go ahead and open the App Store and then click your name in the bottom left corner or click sign in if prompted. Then click account settings at the top of the window and then scroll down to the subscription section and click manage. Find the Apple Music subscription and click edit. Click cancel subscription and confirm. It is as simple as that. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.